Consideration, it's not a train, it's a death trap.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed your brief stopover at Cornham Woodhouse Station. We will now be departing again for near Loughborough. Come on!
Meanwhile, I'd found a set of points where I could switch to the other track. Yes, now this is more of a palaver than on the motorway, but I am now in the overtaking lane. Yes, I am. Let's go and hunt down James May. We're really moving now! 70 miles an hour! Yes! That massive rear spoiler providing the downforce we need. My passengers are looking thrilled. And now I would show May that speed is right, speed is good, speed works. There he is. James May is about to be splashed by the mighty wheel-spinning TGV-12.
Clarkson.
God! How did it do that?
The sports train is invincible. Ever since the dawn of the train, it's been mired in this sea of turgid practicality. Nobody's ever thought, let's make an exciting train. And here I am, in just such a thing. On Hammond and May's train, it's just one long, dreary trail of boredom. Brace, brace!